Okay, so in a, say, a stuff hits the fan situation, I want you to tell me which one are you going with. Are you grabbing your handgun? Or would you grab your AR-15, something like this? Or a higher caliber AR, AR-10, you know, something like this. Or something like an AK, something like this. Or would you grab a shotgun? Take a shotgun with you, something like this. Let me know in the comments. Stuff hits the fan and you gotta grab something and go. Which one would you be taking? Or is it something that I didn't show in this video? Let me know in the comments. And remember, JC loves you.